Meeting the family, discovering aunts and uncles. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to dive deeper into the family tree and explore the topic of aunts and uncles. These are important figures in our family circles and, of course, in our vocabulary. Let's get started. An aunt is the sister of your father or mother, also the wife of your uncle. Similarly, an uncle is the brother of your mother or father, and the husband of your aunt. They're just one step beyond our immediate family, but play an integral role in our extended family system. It's always easier to understand new words when we use them in sentences. Let's look at some examples. 1. My Aunt Sarah is a fantastic cook. 2. Uncle Bob always tells the funniest jokes. These sentences help us understand how to use aunt and uncle in everyday conversation. When we talk about aunts and uncles, there are also some additional vocabulary words to consider. For example, their children are your cousins. When your aunt or uncle is younger than your parents, you might informally refer to them as your little aunt or little uncle, although this is less common. Now it's time to check your understanding. How would you describe an aunt? And how about an uncle? Can you create your own sentences using these words? Pause the video here and take a moment to think about it. We hope you now have a better understanding of the terms aunt and uncle and how they fit into the extended family system. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new word learned is a step forward. Keep practicing and you'll soon be comfortable with all your family-related vocabulary. Happy learning and see you in our next lesson.